Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SoFi to Autopay your credit card balance step by step clearly. Open the SoFi app on your device. Log into your SoFi account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard. Look for the banking section on the main screen. Tap on Settings. Select Autopay from the options provided. Choose Add a Bill. Find and select your credit card issuer from the list. If your issuer isn't listed, you may need to enter your card details manually. Input the required information, such as the account number and billing address. Set the payment amount to pay your balance in full or a specific amount. Choose the frequency of the autopay. This can typically be monthly or bi-weekly. Select the date you want the payment to be processed. Review your entries to ensure accuracy. Confirm the setup by tapping Save or Add. You may receive a notification confirming your autopay setup. Check your email for any communication from SoFi regarding the autopay. Make sure to monitor your bank account regularly to confirm payments are processed every month. Adjust your autopay settings as needed. That's it. Your credit card balance will now be automatically paid through SoFi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.